It is time. It is time for the dog empire to come across. Now, you guys, if you don't, you can join if you want, but we need a lot. And I mean, a lot. Now, you can use the default, well, you can use my style, okay? The festive one. I don't like that one, but you guys can use it. And if you really get and you must have a banner. So like, wait, what's this? Alright, you must have a banner, and it must be this banner, okay? If you have the banner cape or banner shield, great, use it with your doggo and match the like skin color thing, match the whatever clothing, and you guys are set. For pickaxes, you can use whatever, but why haven't I used this yet? I'm just gonna use that. Alright, so yeah, you better be wearing this, or like, wait, why do I say this? You better be wearing this, but yeah, if you don't have it, use as a backbling this little guy. That's what I used for ages ago. And then I have a thing that won a fashion show, and it is this. The dog and dog. You can use that as a great thing. Use the wrap. Well, yeah. So, join Dog Army. Here it is now. And goodbye.